Hey everyone, this is the Trader Investor coming to you on the broader market analysis. How did the market end today? Did it go according to plan? It absolutely went according to plan. Why do I say that with such enthusiasm and confidence? You should look at an imbalance area. And I mentioned when we open low, the imbalance halfway through is all that I expect the imbalance to be taken care of. It could go all the way through, but halfway is what happens most of the time. And even if it wants to go through, I want to see some follow through in the form of it touches it, it reverses somewhere, and it gives me another opportunity. But today, it stopped dead right at the mid-range of that imbalance, one. The second one is the Fibonacci retracement that I drew for you earlier this morning. I said price could stop at the negative 27.8 or the negative 61.8% retracements. Boom, negative 61.8 retracement. And that aligned with that imbalance. With that alignment, my expectation was, and I used the word, break of structure to enter to the upside. And it gave us a beautiful, beautiful break of structure. Our target is here, the 50% retracement. Target 1. Target 2 was somewhere between these two. And so that was target 2. But for target 1, what is break of structure? Price goes down in some fashion. Price reverses, makes a higher low, and then when we break these highs, we make a higher high. That's a break of structure. When we see this break of structure, it is time to go. It is time to go. So how did that structure break then? We went down, right? It came from here, so all the way down. We formed a low. We went up from a higher low, right there. Higher low, beautiful. And then what happened next? Price broke out and made a new higher high. Where? At the break of the recent swing high, right before you pull back, down, up, down. So the swing area is your new high and your new higher low, and then your new higher high. And where did that coincide with? The high of the 15-minute range of today. So you cannot get any more perfect alignment. VWAP below, VWAP above the mid-range, below the price. There could not be any more beautiful setup for an entry. And did you get that dollar move in this entry? Did you get that dollar move in this entry? From here to mid is 83 cents. To the target is $1.19. To the target 2 is $1.57. Because we broke structure and I was targeting for the 50%, I didn't care about that dollar. I know it's against my rules, against my plans, but that dollar move started way down here. And so because I only took it up here, in actuality, you could have drawn a trend line, and was the better entry was here. This is not a good entry, but this is a better entry. This was not bad, but for the right entry, you got the dollar move, $1.65. That was beautiful, beautiful. And because it went to target 1, target 2, somewhere in between, I did get my dollar move, so that was not a bad entry for me, so I can't complain. But it went exactly according to plan. Qs, same exact thing, We formed a low, a high, a higher low. When we break out of that, this is what we target. And now when we broke out of it up here, we had a $1.26 move in the Qs. So another beautiful setup. Qs did not go to target 2 to target 3. They just stopped at target 1. My target 1 is about $1 anyway. I don't wait for the 50% retracement, so that's target 1. Target 2 was to go higher, that the Qs were not willing to give us target 2. IWM, I got stopped out. So I was not interested to monitor this trade. SPYs and Qs were giving us a good entry. Stopped out from my long-term swing position, expecting that we had formed E3 and I was long on E3, but that's not what the market wanted to give us today, and it went to the imbalance and it closed this imbalance. So this is what happened in IWM. If we look at diamonds, same beautiful setup from the close of yesterday to the open of today. Where did price go to? The negative 61.8% retracement. It actually went there in the first 15 minutes and reversed course. Beautiful setup. Now in this setup, the reason why I was not happy with this setup is because my pullback came in too close to the 50% retracement. Even though price went up, for me that was a no-go. It just came. I would have liked it to do a pullback down here for this dollar move, but it came too tight there. No go. SPYs and Qs were the best for today. It's okay that we do just those because it was a happy trading day. So this is how the markets acted today. This is how they performed. They went exactly as planned. Did you take a chance with this plan? Were you prepared to take action on this plan? And 10 contracts was a good payday. And multiply that by the number of contracts or divide. If you can only do one, target 1 is your only target, still a good payday, because based on your account size, if you can only do one, that's a good payday. All right, everyone. I will come back in the morning, do AMC again, and take a look at the broader markets when it's time to open tomorrow morning. Take care for now, and I'll see you in the next video.